Good afternoon and welcome to Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. And joining me at Nasdaq HQ is Faisal Husain. He's a co-founder and CEO of Synechron. We're going to focus on FinTech Trends for 2018. Thank you very much for joining me today. But before we get into that, tell us about Synechron and what the focus is there.
Thank you for having me. Synechron is an 8,000-person consulting company. We focus on the financial services sector and help our clients explore and implement the latest technology out there.
So what worked for FinTech in 2017?
2017, a lot of blockchain exploration, a lot of pilots on the blockchain side. Still work in progress, I would say. And on the artificial intelligence side, a lot of interest. A lot of early work has been done in automating back office processes. So those are the two key trends in 2017.
And what do you see for 2018? What are some of the challenges and greatest opportunities in FinTech?
2018 will see some blockchain projects go into production live. Very eager to see that because it's been quite a while now with all the hype around blockchain. But we do think that 2018 will be the first year of live work on blockchain, except, of course, Bitcoin, which is what everybody knows.
Well, what are some of the examples of the project that will potentially be going live?
You will see blockchain implementations around topics like trade finance, debt syndication, post-trade settlement. Yeah.
Right. So is there a unique focus on financial services as it relates to blockchain?
I think financial services is probably the biggest industry where blockchain can be applied and leveraged. There are others as well, land titles and other things, but everything from trade settlement, everything from trade finance, debt syndication, mortgage origination and processing. Yes, many places where blockchain can be applied.
How does blockchain make it a more efficient process for financial services?
It removes the duplication of data. So things are seamlessly, data is seamlessly replicated between different systems. The level of security and trust that you can have in a blockchain system is unprecedented. So those are some of the benefits.
So longer term, let's look 5 to 10 years out. What do you see in terms of longer trends, longer term trends for FinTech? I
think especially so. Blockchain will become mainstream in the next 10 years. It will take some time, but it will become mainstream. In artificial intelligence, you'll see a lot of work. Right now, in the early days, it's more basic automation of existing processes. In 2018 and onwards, you will see companies leveraging really advanced cognitive solutions to implement new ways of doing fraud detection, anti-money laundering, customer analytics, generating natural language through machine, not written by a person.
It almost seems as if we're in the data collection phase right now, and now we have to figure out what to do with all this data. Is that what the longer term goal is?
Yes. Whoever has the data and whoever can mine the data for insights and actionable intelligence will win.
So that's like either blockchain 2.0 or the next thing.
Well, that's more data science.
Right.
Yeah, you can mix blockchain and AI and data science down the road, but right now it's all about creating that data science capability so you can understand and predict what customers are going to do, who is going to possibly buy a house in the future so that you can start selling mortgages to them ahead of time before somebody else does. A lot of implications in the wealth side as well to help people manage their wealth better.
Wow. I mean, you think when you think about something in your head and then it pops up online in an advertisement, that's kind of cool, but this sounds like
spooky.
It's just going to change everything. Well, thank you very much, Faisal, for joining us.
Thank you very much.
And as always, thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.